Hello friend, today we'll use a data tool called Consolidate, which is under data tools. You can refer to this Consolidate. A pretty useful function where you want to summarize the payroll or bank statement or for that matter stock statements or whatever. Let's understand the concept of Consolidate, where you can use this function for sum, count, average. So in this, the important area is to concentrate on these two, top row and the left column, to be used as the labels, because you don't want to miss the column labels of each of the amount, and also you want to tag these to the respective row labels. So that is where you ensure the leftmost column is the one which you are looking to tag these amounts, and the top row as the column labels for this particular amount. The challenge is, few months you might have some employees newly joined, few months some employees might have resigned. There is no consistency of the employee name in the same row. If I have to sum up, I have to individually look for the employee, then keep on adding. Instead of that, I can use the Consolidate. So to start with, I'll say Consolidate. Now before that, I have named these particular references by selecting the name, because we are going to use the reference in Consolidate instead of using the mouse, which you can do alternatively. The importance is, consider the leftmost column what you are looking for, or alternatively you can use even mouse. So I'll say Consolidate. I have enabled the top row leftmost. As I said, instead of reference, using the mouse by selecting the respective area, something like this. I have already created the references, so I'll shortcut is F3. First month is April. I'll say add. Second month again F3. May, add. Again click on F3. June, say OK, add. Now I considered all the 3 months and I want to consolidate. That's it. At one go, it has fetched the leftmost column bearing the names without missing any, and also it has summarized all the 3 months at one place, so that I'm not worried about whether the particular employee is there in the row or not. This you can use it for many options, like consolidating the bank statements if I have to check the group exposure of multiple banks, or the stock statements without missing any of the row labels. That's the 2 minutes for a single sheet. The practical scenario will be something different. We might have multiple files which are to be consolidated, like for each month we have certain salaries, and I want to consolidate all those salaries into one particular sheet, assuming we have multiple branches. Okay, in that case, how is that we can use the consolidation data tool? Now, as usual, like earlier what we have done, I'll be selecting the data of which I want to consolidate, give a particular name, and ensure that the name what you give, let's say this is the salary for the month of January, the name what you give should be similar across all the branches. Like if I am defining it as January, ensure that you define the same name for across the salaries as January, so that if I select January, it will automatically pick up the data for that particular month. I'll say data, I'll click on Consolidate. Now because there are different files, I'll browse to the first file. Let's say I want to pick up Hyderabad salaries, so I'll be selecting this. It has reached till the particular file, and the advantage of giving a reference name is I can type that particular name so that it will fetch the data for which I have defined this customized name, so that I don't require to open the file. Now once I say add, you can see the file path has been shortened, Hyderabad salaries. If I have to add another branch, while doing so you click on F2 so that you can edit the particular field. Second one is Mumbai, because the path is in the same folder and also the reference what I have given is a similar name, I can just say add so that it will add. Coming to the third one, I'll say add, and the last one, and I'll say add. Now here I'll be enabling the top row to get the column headings, and left column, because that's where I have my employees to which my salaries will be tagged. I'll say OK. Now at one go, all the salaries for those 4 branches have been consolidated. That's 2 minutes for you guys.